Hi, this is FF from RedRose support team, and in this video we are going to be seeing a transaction between a beneficiary and a vendor. First, we will be logging into the application with vendor. For that, we will be using the scan badge function. After clicking this button, an application will open up a barcode reader for us to be able to scan the barcode over the badge. And now we are logged into the application as a vendor. Once we have logged in, we can click on the card status button in order to see if the beneficiary has money in the card from the given activity. Once we make sure, we can head back to the main menu and click on the sales button. In order for us to move on, we will click on the new sales button and swipe our cards once again behind the reader. From this page, we will be selecting our given activity, and here we will be listed with the commodities that we arranged in the sales basket. The categories can also be used to filter out the items that we designated, and the items can be selected by clicking over them. And here we will be able to select how much we would like to have as in cabbage. The plus and minus buttons will allow us to determine the kilogram, and unit price can be changed by clicking over the price and setting up the amount that we would like to have. Once we are done, we can click over the check button to move on. I will select one or two more items. Now that we have 3 items, we can proceed with the sales by clicking the summary button on the bottom part of the screen. And here we will be listed with the items that we selected in order for us to review them. If there is any items that we would like to remove, we can click on the X button next to them to remove. Once we are made sure, we can click on the checkout button in order to move on. And once we read our card once again, the transaction is completed. If we are connected to a Bluetooth printer, a slip will be printed right now, but if we are not, we will receive this error, but we can still complete the checkout. Once the transaction is done, they will be listed over here. We can click over the items as well in order to check through the transaction, and a detailed report can be printed over the Bluetooth printers. Once a transaction is synchronized, they will be marked with the green background color as well as the synchronized label. If we want to manually synchronize the transaction, we can head back to the main menu and click on the synchronize button. And once it's complete, it will say the synchronization is completed, and we can close it down. And now the transaction will be listed directly on the platform itself.